Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I recently just got this in the mail. I've been waiting for it the entire day. It said that it was supposed to be delivered at 11 o'clock and it is 4 p.m. right now and I finally got it in the mail. I basically ordered these glasses from EyeBuyDirect and they are supposed to replace my current glasses, which are half frames. And I don't really like the half frames because they're much more older looking and I really want a youthful look, as I bought a lot of clothes, as you can see over here on the hanger, and I really want to have something that coordinates well with it. Hold on, let me take a drink here. Yeah, so I wanted to order it and I finally got it. These are prescription glasses. Hopefully they look good. You'll be here with me to see how they fit or not, and let's see if they look good. I also have here a Gentle Monster sunglass kit as well. I got it for my birthday and I'm gonna be opening it with you guys as well as an unboxing, so you get to see two eyeglasses today. So let's see, hopefully they're all good. Just gotta find me a little knife. Got me a spatula that I use for my prescriptions. See, and we're gonna cut it right now. Alright. Hopefully these glasses look good, but even if they don't look good, they offer a free return and hopefully I can switch it out entirely. So let's see. So here's the box. It says see the possibilities. Glasses, regular white case for the box. This is how it's supposed to come in. It says EyeBuyDirect. And let's see. Ooh. Ooh. So this is how it is. Alright. I actually ordered this box. It's not supposed to come with a box. It was only $5 if I purchased glasses, and I really wanted something like a case just to hold my glasses just in case. No pun intended. But let's see. Look. This is a brown case. It says EyeBuyDirect on it. It's minimalistic, basic, nothing amazing. And it's like a little buttonhole here. So, pop. Ooh, here are the glasses in here. Oh. Ooh, I don't know if I... Wow, they are really round. Do you think I can pull these off? They're kind of blue. Maybe if I did my hair a little bit and they would fit better, but currently I think they fit well. They're real clean. Oh wow, these prescriptions are on point. Either they're on point or I am blind as hell. But I think I like them. The color is a little metallic blue, if you can see. Actually, and it has a little like marble type of ear holder. These are actually perfectly spaced out because I was worried that these glasses was going to be a little tight on the bridge here, but I measured out that it was supposed to be 20 in the middle for the bridge, or 21, and it's supposed to be fitting really well. So these are actually really good. Ooh, who's texting me? But yeah, they look good. Actually, these are a great purchase. Guess how much these were? These glasses are only $35 and without the prescription. You can order these glasses without prescription lenses for $35, and then if you want prescription glasses, you just need to call your optometrist and get your numbers. So you have to get your strength of the eyeglasses, and you have to measure out how your pupillary distance, which is the distance between the middle of your pupil here to the middle of the pupil over here. That way when they carve out the glasses, they know that the lens should start here, right in the middle. That way you can have the glasses perfectly aligned to your eyeball. Because let's say that the pupillary distance is over here, but your eyeball is here, you're not going to be able to see it very well. So that's why you need to be able to measure it yourself or have the doctor measure it. But it's not that hard. All you have to do is take a ruler, estimate, give or take +1 or 2. You should be fine. And so far so good. They look pretty nice. I think these glasses are back in style now because it's a trend with the look now. And I don't know, they look pretty nice. I think they work well. Hopefully I can rock these. They were actually pretty cheap, so I'm not gonna lie, I am happy with this purchase. Pretty good. Alright, these glasses are done. Put it away. Great purchase, I'm not gonna lie. And now, on to the Gentle Monster. Gentle Monster is a Korean brand. It's actually in Korea, and it's not part of the Luxottica brands like you see, like the Ray-Bans and all the Prada. They did, however, utilize one of their factories to build their glasses, but from what I researched online, they're not part of the same company as Luxottica, which is basically the biggest company that owns all the glasses companies, like the Lens Crafters and the others. So here it is, Gentle Monster. Comes with a little pouchy type of thing in here, a magnet type of box. Here is the Gentle Monster packaging with glasses and everything. And here's a little button closure as well. All you gotta do is snap it apart. It's like a little pouch. Open the pouch. And the glasses are in here. So, let's see. Ooh, it comes in a plastic packaging, glasses. Ooh. Everything is packaged, even the side arms. So here it's one, here it's two. Be careful so I don't break these. I love unboxing these things, but don't like to be so rough with these either. Ah, perfect. Ooh, would you look at that? They actually look pretty nice. They look very similar to my other glasses. It's just that many of the other glasses, like the aviators, they have a little bar here instead of the bar here. I literally opted for the top bar only. Well, I technically didn't since I got these as a birthday present, but these are pretty good. I like them. So let's see. Ooh. I think these look pretty good as well. It's a change, but they fit well, I think. And I think I can rock these with my clothes. These are gonna be a great addition to my wardrobe and my styling. And luckily it's summer and I can wear these. So, wow, they look good. I like them. These actually retail for a lot of money. I think it's like $250 or $270. I mean, the glasses in general are expensive, but just in general, like my other glasses over here, they're cheap, but obviously since I'm buying them wholesale and it's not a really big brand, clearly, obviously, it's not going to be very pricey, but these are pretty good. A lot of K-drama people have been wearing this. I believe the girl from My Love from Another Star wore these initially, and that's where they started getting their traction and fame. And it's pretty good. I think these are a great purchase too. And they're really polarized. I believe they're polarized, but they have a little mirrory type of look, which is nice. And you can see my computer screen right there with the trees. So, wow. Yeah, this is the unboxing. Oh no, I dropped the thing. Yeah, so these are my two glasses. I love the look on both of them. Hopefully I can put them and fit them into my styling for my wardrobe and everything, because I'm trying to test out a whole new look, and hopefully I have a good run with it, because I have a bunch of clothing coming and they're still waiting from Asia to come here, and I'm still waiting on them to arrive. But these are a great gift for my birthday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for looking here. I hope you enjoyed these two videos. Well, not videos, these two glasses. And maybe if you like them, you can actually buy from them. I don't have any sponsors with them, but I just like the products and I had a good experience buying them, like the purchasing aspect of it, and I feel like they should get a shout out. And these are great to add to your aesthetic, because you know, sometimes you can't really change a lot about yourself, like the hair, because it's too expensive. These you can just add on to your little wardrobe and it changes you for a little bit too. Oh. Wow. What's this? Ooh. What's this? Ooh. So there's a certification card to say that it's real and everything. And there's a scratching part where you have to register, which is nice. And it has the date where they bought it. It's nice. All of these authorization cards to say it's authentic. It's a nice addition. So it's a great purchase. Put it away. Yeah. Thank you for watching. See you in a little. Actually, thank you for watching. I may not have a lot of videos coming out this coming week or the week after because I'm studying for my boards. Because it takes a lot of examinations just to pass my licensing, and I really want to pass it the first time, so I might not be posting a lot. You might see a lot of things going on my TikTok or my Instagram because it's much quicker to post the stuff that I already have drafted on. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed my videos and my little TikToks, please give me a like. If you want, you can give me a comment as well. Subscribe, share to your friends, and have a blessed day.